Holy that video blew up and I did not expect that. Now, thanks to a lot of your amazing comments, rather ironically, in the comment box below, I've got some great ideas on what videos I need to do next. But it is clear that one of the most pressing videos is premiums and the difference between cast bars, the price differences between cast bars, minted bars, and coins. And frankly, the way I see it is why you should opt for products like minted tablets over coins. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be covering products that are within Australia, and they are from the two largest gold refineries in Australia. That is the Perth Mint and ABC Refinery, which produces ABC bullion products, as you saw in my previous video. Now, both of them offer basically a comparable like-for-like comparison, which gives us a good place to understand premiums. If you don't know what a premium is, it's the name given to the cost of fabrication. So that is what it costs to turn a molten gold into a minted, cast, or coin product of gold. So let's start by comparing ABC bullion products compared to some products from the Perth Mint. Now, at the time of making this video, the Australian dollar gold price was $2,969. Now, remember that number because all of the numbers that follow from here are what it would cost to buy the bullion product in its finished form. Let's start with cast bars. As I said in my previous video, this is where you get the most bang for buck. So let's compare cast bars from both the Perth Mint and ABC bullion. Now, at the time of making this video, ABC bullion's, the cost to buy a 1 ounce gold bar from ABC bullion was $3,036 per ounce. The cost to buy the same bar, the same 1 ounce bar, but from the Perth Mint was also $3,036 per ounce. Now, I'll let you know that it's not often bullion dealers come within the exact same dollar price. I was quite surprised to find that. However, they are often within about $5 of each other. But what this means that to buy a physical 1 ounce of gold, whether it be from either bullion refinery, is that it's going to cost you about $67 per ounce on top of the Australian dollar gold price. So that is the cost of fabrication for that 1 ounce cast bar. If we move over to minted tablets, this is where our fabrication costs are a little bit higher. So for example, at the time of making this video, the cost to buy a 1 ounce minted tablet from the Perth Mint was $3,060, whereas to buy a 1 ounce tablet from ABC bullion was $3,069. So that puts our fabrication cost between $90 to $100 right now. However, what happens if you go check it out with coins? Well, this is where the price starts to significantly jump. ABC Bullion's most recent 2023 lunar coin to celebrate the year of the rabbit is retailing at $3,096 per ounce at the time of making this video. So that's more than $120 than the Australian dollar spot price. So as you can see, the more intricate detailing that you want, the more dollars you need to hand over to get that. Now, I can't do a like-for-like comparison with the Perth Mint Lunar New Year coin because it had sold out at the time of making this video, making the data inaccurate. However, what I can tell you is that $120 more than the Australian dollar price of gold is about where coins tend to be. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret that the bullion industry generally doesn't want you to know. Talked about premiums for cast bars being around $60 more than the Australian dollar gold price, for minted tablets being around $90 to $100 more than the Australian dollar gold price, and coins is in excess of $100 of the Australian dollar gold price. But believe it or not, premiums move up and down in line with the market. And when the gold price goes high, that means the demand for gold is actually increasing, and you'll notice premiums tend to rise. However, when there's not as much demand for gold and the gold price is falling, you'll actually find that the premium, so the amount more you need to pay to get your hands on that gold, is actually going to fall. This is why you need to go back and see my other video and check out why I say you should never, ever, ever buy gold when it's in the news, because you're essentially going to be paying more for the metal when you could be getting it for less. If you want to see more of these videos, and based on the comments that I've received on the past two, it's clear there is a lot that we need to talk about when it comes to gold. That's awesome. I've got plenty of experience in the industry and I'm more than happy to share. So let's talk. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to know about gold and I'll make a video about it. That's it. See you around.